In this topic, we will be covering pie charts for Python 3. First, we begin with a brief introduction, followed by the description of the dataset, and lastly, we will proceed to plot the pie charts. Let's begin. A pie chart is used to represent qualitative data and provides a visual overview of proportions for each category. It enables quick comparison of the sizes of each category. For more in-depth explanation of the concept, refer to the links below. We will be using the iris dataset for plotting. The dataset consists of 50 quantitative values across 5 variables for 3 species of irises. Let's load the dataset. Since it does not contain any headers, we will create it. Next, we retrieve the descriptive statistics for the overall dataset and for each individual iris species. Once done, we plot the pie chart of the proportion of data for each iris species in the dataset. We can also specify the conditions of the measurements. Here, we divide them into 4 categories. Less than 5 centimeters, between 5 to 6 centimeters, between more than 6 to 7 centimeters, and more than 7 centimeters. We now plot the pie chart of the proportion of sepal length between 5 to 6 centimeters. A bar chart can be displayed to show the actual count values. The different conditions of the categories of the measurements of sepal length are displayed together. We can also set the conditions as the minimum value plus the standard deviation. Finally, the user is prompted to select a specific attribute. If the user enters a value that is not within the selection list, the program will ask if the user wants to retry. However, if the user enters a non-numeric character, the program terminates. To conclude, a pie chart displays the proportion of each category against the total. It provides an indication of which category has the largest or smallest count in the dataset. A bar chart can be added to show the value count for each category. This concludes our topic on the plotting of pie charts in Python 3. Thanks for watching.